Mike's Tree and Stump Services.com. Out here, another job today in Northville. Taking out of a Russian olive tree and a couple of big stumps from the pine trees we cut down last year. Customer decided they didn't want them anymore. Sick of the yard art idea. So we're cutting up the firewood for them, which is the service we offer. That's Mark cutting it up. We'll stack it nice and neat for the customer. There's Joe grinding up the stumps. There's Chris on the firewood. We use that mini skid to move all the wood around. This machine's kind of overkill for that stump, but that's the one we brought, so it'll take that 24-inch stump in about 24 seconds. But that's the name of the game. We get in, we get out, we leave a clean job. If you needed a free estimate or consultation, Mike's Tree and Stump Services.com to request an estimate. Thank you.